evening, everybody. Welcome back to the Alabama Farmer Channel. Well, today I'm out here looking at soybeans. As you can see, we're out here at one of our neighboring fields right here. These that are still green are 4.9s. This is some that we had to replant that are still green. Then the ones that are dried down are the 4.6s that we have that we planted. I've coming out here to check, see how dry they are. They're getting pretty dry, looks like. That's what they look like. Just going on. They're still pretty. They getting there. These out here, these back here are the greener ones. Just a little side field to the big field up here. This is the ground that we worked up last winter, or last fall after we got done picking. To get this is the field that had the gray zone damage. But these aren't really the most dried down. They're still kind of green. It's kind of rough through here. But yeah, these right here are the more dried down ones. We're hoping for about 40, maybe 50 an acre, 50 bushels an acre. Let's walk out in them real quick. Hopefully they don't fall off. But they look pretty good. Yeah. You see there's a round hog hole. They're not filled out as good as I'd like for them to be. Hopefully y'all can see. There are three beans to the pod. Looks like they're getting pretty dry. Yeah, these are getting close. We had a friend that picked 15 acres last week. I believe I may pull some of these things up and carry them back to the house and test them. You can see there's still a few green stalks here and there. But with them new raspberries, hopefully we can be able to chew through that pretty easily now. Not clog up as easy. Now here's one that's got 4 in it, but I don't think they're all any good. Yeah, they're real little, like BBs. Yeah, you can see there's some laid down there. I don't know exactly. Yeah, they're getting pretty dry. Test. Oh goodness. Well, there went my sticky pad. Well, guess I'll just have to hold y'all. Check these down here on the bottom. Yeah, they're getting pretty dry. We might be picking some next week if the weather cooperates. Just all depends. But this is about a 25 acre field here. It's just one I can grab my 4-wheeler out to. But yeah, so there's a good look at beans, what they look like. I know I hadn't given a video in a while, but there they are. And they're probably 6-7 feet tall in some places. Some places a little more. So yeah, I'm probably gonna pull me some up here and carry them back to the house and test them, and hopefully y'all get to see that. So anyways, I'll try and get a video up of if we start picking, when we start picking, because I know last year I didn't get any up hardly. But yeah, so anyways guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more. Oh, forget I gotta have my phone out. Alright, well, good evening everybody. Welcome back to the Alabama Farmer Channel. Well, as you can see, Dad's picking beans. We got started today. I just got out here. I'm in at the market. I don't know if he's put a load in the truck or not yet, but we're picking beans. So, yeah. Maybe we'll get some footage of picking today.
It's a whole lot better picking machine than what it was, but it was still closed.
You unplugged it?
Yeah, then there's some green stuff once. Wasn't no big deal. Well, I got that twice. I got lucky 2 times. I done it again. I think them springs may be weak on that foot.
Yeah. Think you need to replace them?
Go check my battery cable.
Alright. Yeah, I know.
Our whole problem's that thing right over there.
What?
A different snout on that side. It drags up beans.
I told you we need to build us a new one.
I forgot all about it. I thought I'd had this thing ready. Sometimes when you go a little faster, it feeds more even.
Yeah.
And we got a few morning glories. That may be one.
Yeah. What are they testing?
10 something, 14 something. Once I got out away from the edge.
Yeah. That's what Lee said.
12 something. 12, 3, 12, 4.
Yeah. Have you picked the hopper yet?
I come out and go get the truck.
Get off, come out here and get you.
No, I won't.
Oh. They don't fog up as bad. They get roaring noise.
It's a lot better than it did. I think our problem now may be that springs on that foot.
Yeah. You think you can get a new one from Lee? Or order a new one from Shoot?